Abdali Grammar School. Science. Lesson. Forms of energy and energy transfer. Chapter number 5. Lecture number 1. 69 Abdali Road, Islampur, Lahore. Welcome back with another interesting topic in science world. Our today's topic is source of energy. Energy is defined as the ability of body to do work. For example, the food we eat has obtained energy, and this energy is used to do work, so we say that food is an energy source. Let's discuss some sources of energy. Sun, flowing water, wind, fossil fuels. We use these sources of energy for light our homes, cooking food, watching television, charging mobiles. Let's discuss the sources of energy. The most important and main source of energy is sun. Energy obtained from sun is called solar energy. Sun provides energy to plants, which use it to make their food, called photosynthesis. Plants take in water and carbon dioxide and use sunlight to make glucose, oxygen gas IA released during photosynthesis. Dear beginners, do you know about solar cells? Solar energy is stored in special cells. These cells are called solar cells. Solar energy is used to generate electricity. Our next source of energy is water. Flowing water contains a lot of energy which is used to generate electricity. Dams are built to store water, and water falls on turbines, which runs the generator to generate electricity. Our next and third source is wind. Windmills are installed to use wind as an energy source. Fast-moving wind is used to rotate large blades of windmills. These rotating blades are connected with generator, which produce electricity. Then electricity is produced through generator. Next source of energy is fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are made from remaining of plants and animals. Here are some examples of fossil fuels: coal, natural gas, petrol, diesel, petroleum's products. Fossil fuels are used for generate electricity, running engines, cooking food, and production of other material. All these sources of energy are very important for our life. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. 69 Abdali Road, Islampur, Lahore.